If you've ever wished your daily commute could feel less like a chore and more like a mini adventure, the DYU C9 might just be your answer. It's small enough to fold up like a suitcase in your trunk, but still packs the power of a full-sized e-bike. And fellas, after spending some quality time with it, I think this little machine is more than just a pretty face. The DYU C9 is a long-range foldable e-bike, but this description undersells it a bit. In reality, you're looking at a compact frame with big personality. 20-inch by 3-inch chunky tires that look ready to eat up city streets, and a deep 15-inch step-through that makes hopping on feel like stepping onto a low curb. The bike comes in pieces, but don't fret, because the assembly is straightforward. Handlebars, saddle, pedals, front wheels, and a few accessories like the front light, fenders, and rear track. Nothing too tricky, though you will be flipping it over once or twice, so maybe lay down a blanket to keep that paint pristine. The frame folds with a sturdy hinge that's tight enough to inspire confidence, but not so stubborn that you might need a gym membership to close it. The handlebar post has a twist lock system that keeps it from flopping around when you fold it. Within 2 minutes, I could get it from folded to fully ride ready. And then there's the saddle, which is full-sized, well-padded, and even has a center vent for airflow. It rides on a seat post with a built-in shock absorber, which takes the edge off bumps. The rear track is also solid, welded together, bolted down at 4 points, and ready for cargo baskets, child seats, or your DIY add-ons. At the front, you can opt for a matching basket if you like that city errand vibe. Under the hood, or rather inside the rear hub, is a 250-watt motor. Trust me, this thing isn't shy. It'll carry you up to 25 kilometers per hour, which feels fast on a compact frame. Similarly, the Shimano 7-speed derailleur shifts crisply, controlled by your right thumb and index finger, making it easy to walk the bike through crowded areas without breaking a sweat. The removable 48-volt battery is another win. Instead of lugging the whole bike inside, just slide the battery out and bring it to an outlet. It charges fairly quickly and provides approximately 90 miles or 150 kilometers of range, more than enough for daily commuting or a weekend ride, eliminating range anxiety. And I must mention the tires. Those thick 20 by 3-inch tires aren't just for looks. They soak up vibrations from pavement cracks and give you grip when you travel onto dirt, gravel, or even beach paths. And guys, when you pair it with the shock absorption in the seat post and the front fork, the ride is much smoother than you'd expect from a compact foldable. braking comes from a dual disc setup, which is sharp and confidence-inspiring. The bright rear brake light and front headlight make night rides much safer. The frame is aluminum alloy, so it's sturdy but not overly heavy, and it can carry up to 265 pounds, 120 kilograms of groceries, work gear, or even a weekend picnic haul. For those who love to accessorize, DYU offers extras like cargo baskets, and the standard rack fits most third-party options. The wiring is tidy, the components feel solid, and overall, it has the kind of daily use practicality that's sometimes missing in smaller e-bikes. Hence, the DYU C9 isn't just a foldable e-bike, it's a portable little adventure machine. It blends comfort, speed, range, and versatility in a way that makes it as good for your weekday commute as it is for a lazy Sunday ride to the beach. Alright, that's my time with the DYU C9. If you found this review helpful, give it a thumbs up. And if you've got questions or thoughts, drop them in the comments. I read them all. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss the next ride review. And until then, stay safe and keep rolling.